Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking onto this video, and please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So for today's video, I'm so excited. I know how much you guys love unboxings, and today I have two for you. So first, we're gonna be unboxing some brand new Jeffree Star Cosmetics PR I got. As you can see here, the beautiful rainbow collection came in, and I wanted you guys to get a really close look at this mirror, the packaging it came in. And of course, as you could tell from the title, we're also gonna be unboxing one of the Shane Dawson mystery boxes. Now, he has done 2 rounds of mystery boxes. This is from the first round. So what happened was something happened with my shipping where it took just ages to get to me. And then by the time I got it, other launches happened. So this kind of got pushed to the back burner, but I know how much you guys love unboxings, and I am so freaking curious to know what's in here. I have seen a couple spoilers, but I have a feeling that all of the boxes were kind of varying. We are gonna take a look today and find out. But yeah, guys, if you want to unbox these 2 beautiful boxes with me, then please keep watching. All right, guys, first things first, I would like to preface this video by saying, if anyone has hateful, negative, mean-spirited comments, please exit out of this video. If you do not support Shane Dawson, please exit out of this video. I don't know why you would even click on it knowing that it's about Shane Dawson. I will not tolerate any hate comments here. You will immediately be removed from my channel. I don't tolerate that kind of bullying. Regardless of what you think of what I like and who I like to support, that's my business and on me, and it's really none of yours. So again, if you are unhappy with the content that I am producing in this video, then please exit out now, because it is going to be about Shane Dawson as well as a little bit of Jeffree Star. So let's jump right in without any further ado. Okay, first things first, let's talk about this Jeffree Star Cosmetics rainbow hand mirror. Are you seeing this? The packaging on this alone has me like, I want to have this on display. Like, it's so pretty. Oh my God. Okay. And then I know I showed you a glimpse of the mirror, but look at this. Look at this. Take an up close look at how absolutely stunning this is. It's so beautiful. It's soft touch. It goes towards a absolutely amazing cause. Jeffree Star Cosmetics is pledging $25,000 to the OD Foundation, which is all in support of the LGBTQ community. I love the way Jeffree does this. He also did this with the Equality Lip Bundle several years back, and a lot of those proceeds went towards a great cause as well. So this is in support of Pride Month. Guys, if you were ever going to get a star mirror, I would highly suggest this one. It just catches the eye like nothing else. I'm even thinking, like, there's someone that does amazing bejeweling here. I'm gonna link her down below, but I'm thinking I might want to get this mirror bejeweled. What do you guys think? Should I get this bejeweled? All right, that's done. Let's get to the good stuff. Let's unbox the Shane Dawson box. By the way, I know you guys have already heard this, but I think he's making a comeback. He's finally coming. Oh my God, before I jump into this, can we just for a second talk about the fact that, okay, right as I'm filming this, Jeffree just dropped a bombshell of a video. He just discussed the fact that he's moving out of California. He's selling that giant $14 million mansion, and he's going to Wyoming. I really think this is going to be so good for him. He's finally taking the time to really reach some mental clarity, to really clean up all of this fragments of issues that have happened to him in the past. I'm so happy for him. I love when he does these super intimate videos, because we really get to see past that really stark kind of harsh image, you know what I mean? Like, Jeffree's kind of edgy, he's kind of controversial, so it's really nice to see the soft core of him, like really deep. He kind of tends to hide that Scorpio vibes, but like when we do get to see that, I absolutely love it. It's a really great video. If you guys haven't caught it yet, I highly suggest you do. Jeffree is freaking moving out of California. Oh my God. Now let's jump into this. Yes, Shane making a comeback. Let's do it. Okay. No way. This is the first item that I'm seeing. I can't even tell you how excited this makes me. I have wanted this tumbler for, oh, it's so pretty. So I am always searching for a good tumbler. This one is amazing because every single one that I find, they don't have metal straws, and I hate using anything plastic. Guys, I am going to use the shit out of this. I would have literally bought this on my own. So far, loving this box. Let's see what else we got. Oh, cute. We have some really, really cute tube socks. It's summer right now, so I'm not going to get used out of them at this moment, but I live in socks. I'm one of those people that cannot walk around my house without wearing socks. Love these. Love the little pig logo. So cute. Let's see what else. Yes, queen. Okay, so this is a Diet Shane lip balm. I already have one of these, so you know I'm gonna be putting it in a next giveaway. This is a great product. I love the balms from Jeffree PR Cosmetics. I know he only has a couple, but guys, they are really great, super hydrating, amazing. Oh my gosh, I forgot to mention that if you're curious about this makeup look, I've been doing this new vlog style on my channel where I actually film myself getting ready and then I do a voiceover, so it's super casual. There's no crazy lights or fancy camera. It's just on my iPhone, and you guys have really been enjoying me mixing in that content with this more polished content. So yeah, if you want to see me do this makeup, I use the Blood Money palette. Everything, of course, will be listed down below, but I use the Blood Money palette. I also use a Supreme Gloss, a new Velvet Trap, and as well as a velour lip liner. I love the way this look turned out, so definitely check that out. I will be posting that in a couple of days. But let's see what else. Oh, we have a slime. We have a, let's see what color this is. We have a green slime. Now, I'm not a personal slime lover, but my daughter, she's gonna freaking love this. This is going directly to her. So cute. I mean, like, slime is a little bit weird, but it's very on brand for Shane, and I love it. I will report back. I'll ask my daughter after she uses it what she thinks of it. For all those slime connoisseurs, I got you. All right, the next item we have, ooh, spiraling since 1988. I am born in 1988. I freaking love this. So cute. Okay, like literally I live in my Shane Dawson merch. I live in my JSC merch. I will wear the crap out of this. They're very sleeping tops for me. I don't necessarily wear them out very often, but I definitely will be sleeping in this, and I'm gonna live in it, and I love it. Let's see what else we dig in here. Okay. We have the Mini Controversy palette. Now, I need to know if this is the one with the green shade. I have the original one when it first came out, but I don't, and I have the green shade, but separately, like how it came out as a single. So let's see if we got that. Yes, the Put It Back shade is in here. So I don't actually have this palette. It's super cute. Not my favorite out of the minis, but a very cute palette. I love that Put It Back shade, and I love the way that this packaging is different. We have some of the green going on here, where the original one was more like black and white, like a fuzzy TV vibes. So cute. Obsessed. And then the final item in this big box. Now it came with a separate smaller box. I'm not sure what's in there. I'm thinking maybe a robe, but this is the last item in this box. Oh, this is so cute. What is this, like a little card holder? Absolutely. This is a little pig nose card holder. So cute. I love this. Guys, the quality on these is so much better than I was thinking. It's actually really nice. Like a really nice leather. Really happy with this box, guys. So far, so good. Now let me get into this bigger box here and see what we got. Oh, a whole ass pig backpack. Guys, I'm going to Florida in a couple of weeks with my family. I'm gonna be giving this to my daughter as her plane bag. Oh my God, guys, this is so freaking cute. Let me open this and see the inside. I love it. So cute. This is absolutely adorable. There's some gold detailing on here. Honestly, guys, I'm super impressed with the quality of these. I wasn't expecting them to be this nice, but they are really nice. Super nice leather. I know it's probably vegan leather, but I'm impressed. Girl, wow. This box was freaking insane. Am I wrong? Like, holy crap. I am obsessed. That's pretty much it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please, guys, don't forget to give this video a like if you like what I got in my box. Please leave me a comment down below. What did you think of what I got? And let me know, what did you get in yours? Did my box vary from yours? I'm super curious, so definitely let me know. And please, guys, if you haven't already, make sure you're subscribed. It really helps me out when you guys subscribe. And I will catch you on the next video. Bye, guys.